Hello, it's AliMECH. In today's video I'm gonna test the seafoam out and we're gonna see if it's working or not for cleaning carbon deposit in your engine. So the first thing I'm gonna do, remove the ignition coil and the spark plugs, and I'm gonna use this camera to see how much carbon we have on the pistons. Let's remove the cover, unplug the wire harnesses, take the ignition coils out, and always check the ignition coils whether there is oil on them or cracked that need to be replaced. Next I'm gonna remove the spark plug so I can send a camera through the spark plug hole to see how much carbon we have on the piston before using seafoam. Okay, I got my camera ready. Let's start with cylinder number 1. This is piston number 1. We have a good carbon amount on the edges and in the center as well. And here's the piston number 2. We have a big chunk of carbon on the edge. And here's the piston number 3. It's like a paint peeling off. And here's piston number 4, just like the others. Now I'm gonna put everything back and test the seafoam to see how much carbon we're gonna remove after using seafoam. Seafoam can comes with a straw. I'm gonna remove the throttle hose and put one end of the straw in, just like that, and then tighten the hose back. The picture on a can shows that the straw should be before the throttle plate and after mass airflow sensor. So I'm gonna put it after mass airflow sensor. On this car there is no room for a can near the throttle plate. Start the engine and hold the RPM on 2000 and start spraying the seafoam. Take your time and get comfortable. It's gonna take about 5 minutes to complete the whole can. After about 1 minute using the seafoam, you will see a white smoke comes out from the exhaust. Okay, the can is almost empty. I'm gonna turn the engine off and remove the straw and put the hose back in. According to the instructions, after using the seafoam, take the vehicle out and drive it under a load, at least for 5 minutes. And I was like, alright. I'm back home. I'm gonna remove the spark plug and the ignition coils, and we'll see how much carbon we removed by using seafoam. Here is the piston number 1. I would say it removed a good amount of carbon on the piston, especially on the edges. And here is the piston number 2. Not bad. Piston number 3, still some left on the edges. So is the piston number 4. So what do you guys think about it? Is it worth the money? Like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.